Hi, my name is Alistair. I work in technical sales for Elation Lighting. We're here at ISE 2020 in Amsterdam, and this is our booth. We are a manufacturer of various professional lighting products with offices worldwide. One of the main products we're showing today is the Artiste Mondrian. It is a full profile with a big zoom range of about 3.3. Going down very tightly with an iris. It's very feature packed with many gobos, an animation wheel, both CMY and RGB color mixing. It is very, very bright, 50,000 lumens. It's designed for arenas, stadiums, very punchy looking indoor applications. We think designers and users are going to love it, and yep, that's it. Welcome. Our website is elationlighting.eu.